Hi everybody, it's Jason again from Collaborative Mathematics. This is Challenge 8, Part 2. So, as the name implies, it's related to Challenge 8, Part 1. If you haven't explored that one yet, you might want to check it out first. But in any case, the theme is the same, so grab a piece of paper and let's get ripping. In part 1, we had a piece of paper and we ripped it up using a pretty specific procedure. I'm going to give you a different procedure here in part 2, and it's got a little bit more flexibility. You have some decisions to make. So here's the new procedure. Start again with one piece of paper, and now you can choose whether you want to rip it into 4 pieces or 6 pieces. Your call. I'll start with 4 pieces just because, why not? So you rip your paper into either 4 pieces or 6 pieces, whatever you like, and then repeat it. So choose one of the pieces that you have, and now you can pick again, 4 pieces or 6 pieces. You can do the same thing you did last time or mix it up. Maybe I'll do 4 pieces again just because, why not? And then, now they're different sizes, but that's okay. Pick a piece. Maybe I'll go back to the big ones. And 4 pieces or 6 pieces. Maybe I'll do 6 pieces this time. It's a little harder, but this should do it here. 6 pieces like that. Ta-da. And so there you go. And that's the new procedure. So start with 1 piece, and then at every step of the process, pick a piece, and then rip it into either 4 pieces or 6 pieces. Now, in part 1, we were focused on a particular number, 2014, and we asked, is it possible to end up with exactly 2014 pieces of paper? And we can ask that same question about this new procedure where you get to make these decisions. Yeah. But because we've got the decisions, we've got more options. So if you can get to 2014 pieces of paper, can you do it in more than one way? Could you make different decisions and get to the same number of pieces? That's an interesting question. Of course, that's if you can get there. Maybe you can't get to 2014 pieces of paper. There were some numbers that you couldn't get to in part 1. Maybe 2014 is an impossible number to reach using the procedure here in part 2. And if that's true, then we might wonder what other numbers are impossible. Are there any patterns in the numbers that are impossible, or in the numbers that are possible? Or, this whole new procedure gives us a lot more options with a lot more questions to ask. Now, here's what I'm hoping. I'm hoping to hear some response videos that explore this problem. So try it out, make some decisions, with the paper ripping and stuff, and look at the number 2014. Use that as a specific number to go for. But then I'm hoping to hear ideas and patterns and things that you notice. Are there numbers that are possible or impossible? Which numbers? How many ways can you do it? Lots of questions that I think are very interesting to explore, and I look forward to seeing what creative mathematics comes out of this new, interesting paper ripping procedure. As usual, you can find us online. You can look for us on Facebook and Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and go to the website, and help us spread the word. Tell your friends and colleagues and your parents and your dog and whatever. And I look forward to seeing what happens next. Have fun.